Okay, once you launch uh, Microsoft Publisher, what you have to look is you have to look for invitations. The invitations are located here. I'm going to click on it. Now, once you see the invitations, you have to complete what is asked from you. Okay? Now, I'm scrolling this down. Okay? Because the invitations are pretty much at the bottom of all of these templates. See this one right here that says graduation? See it there? You click on it. Now once you click on it, there is a create button here. I'm going to click on the create button right there. Now it's creating the invitation. Now this is the invitation. You are invited for the graduation of Albert. ¿Cómo te llamas?
Gomez.
Albert Gomez. Okay, you are invited for the graduation of Albert Gomez. Now, pay attention at the bottom. At the bottom you have page 1, page 2, page 3, and page 4. On page 2, invitation title, you can read, you say Albert's graduation. Okay? Now you have to complete text. This text, I am going to provide you a spreadsheet. I'm going to show you some, I'm going to give you some papers that give you some samples, what you can put it here, what you can write here. Now, when it says contact person, you have to put it, the Albert. You can say Albert Gomez. Okay, and then I'm going to make up this number. This is a number to reach Albert. 213. I'm making this up, okay? These are not real numbers. Don't try to call him in this number. Now, date, the graduation day. The graduation day is going to be December 12, 15, 2016. Time, you're going to put 8 o'clock a.m. Okay, here you're going to put the location. You have to describe, you have to put Royal Palms, I believe. Royal Palms Social Model. INC. Then you put the address, 360, right? Southwest. I'm gonna make this bigger. I'm putting the address. West Lake Avenue, Los Angeles, California 90057. Okay? You can put here, please join us for the graduation of Albert Gomez. Okay? Please join us for the graduation of Albert Gomez. He is graduating from his computer class, computer applications class. Okay. Okay, you have other words to be included too. The software tells you things, you know. Please join us for the graduation of Albert Gomez. He's graduating from a computer application class. Okay, these are texts. Now, number 4, the page 4. The page 4 is the last page of the invitation. First, what you gotta concentrate is on page 1, 2, and 3. You have to just complete text. Now, if you want to include a picture, for example, you don't want this this paper right there, you can click on cut, right click on it, cut. You have to go to insert, you go to picture, you have to go to clip art. The clip art is right there. I put graduation. And you can get clip art from there. I'm gonna get this one right here, okay? Now this one right here, now you have to make it smaller. And you just drag it wherever you want. See it? And you can make it for you. Now you want a different picture here, fine. You go here again, go to, well, you have to use the clip art. Let's say you want this one, this icon. This icon go there, it goes there. You make it bigger, and it looks better. See it? Now the first page, if you don't like this icon right there, you can use another one. Feel free to do it in any way you want. I'm gonna use this one right here. I'm using this one right here. And we have it there.
How do you delete the picture that's already there?
Okay, I'm going to delete this one right here. You click on the picture, you do a right click, and you click on cut. Okay?
Move, copy.
Okay. Now, what you do is, when we have you have the clip art, you put graduation, you're gonna get icons here. Okay? Now let's say I want this icon. Okay, this one. I want this one. I'm gonna click on it. I get the icon right there. Now I go to the edges or the corners of the picture, and I can reduce or adjust the size of the picture. Okay? Feel free to put any pictures you want. Okay? Don't be limited by the template. Okay? Right, now this concludes how to create an invitation for the graduation. Thank you.